Hello everyone, welcome back to Basiofon Academy. If you're preparing for your WAEC or JAMB Mathematics exams, you're in the right place. Today is class 1 of our free series, and we are identifying sets, types of sets, and Venn diagrams. By the end of this video, you will confidently define a set, identify its type, present them perfectly, and understand how Venn diagram works. Make sure to hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss any class in this series. Let's jump in. First things first, what exactly is a set? In mathematics, a set is simply a well-defined collection of distinct objects. The objects inside a set are called elements or members. Look at the screen. Set A contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those numbers are its elements. Another classic example is set B, which records the letters A, E, I, O, U, a set of English vowels. Let's test your brain early. Look at these two options on the screen. Which of them qualifies as a mathematical valid set? Is it A, beautiful girls in a school, or B, prime numbers less than 20? Pause this video right now and type your answer in the comment section. If you answered B, you're absolutely correct. But why? The secret lies in the phrase, well defined. For a collection to be a set, it must be objective, meaning everyone in the world must completely agree on what belongs inside it. If you ask anyone for the even numbers less than 10, they will tell you 2, 4, 6, and 8. That is a set. But words like beautiful, handsome, or intelligent depend entirely on personal opinions. Because opinions differ, beautiful girls cannot form a mathematical set. Now let's look at the different types of sets you encounter in your exam. First, we have a finite set. This is a set where you can count the elements to a definite end, like the days of the week, or the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Second is an infinite set. This one has endless elements that goes on forever. We represent this in mathematics by putting 3 dots at the end, called an ellipsis, showing that it never terminates. Third is the empty set, also known as a null set. This is a set that contains absolutely no elements. We denote it using the quick symbol this, or a pair of empty curly braces. For instance, if I ask you to list the calendar month to 32 days, the set will be completely empty because no such month exists. Finally, we have equal sets. Two sets are equal if they contain the exact same element, even if the order is mixed up. As you can see, set 1, 2, 3 is perfectly equal to set 3, 2, 1. Quick checkpoint before you look at diagrams. Look at the symbols on the screen. Which of these represents an empty set? Is it A, B, or C? Type your choice in the comment section below before we move to the next slide. Let's introduce the game changer for exams, Venn diagrams. A Venn diagram is simply a visual illustration that uses geometric circles to represent sets and how they relate to one another. This is what makes complex WAEC and JAMB word problems look incredibly easy. Look closely at the diagram on your screen. We have a circle for students who play football and a circle for those who play basketball. Notice that sweet spot where the two circles overlap. That exact region represents the students who play both games. It is the intersection. Alright, let's bring everything together. In this lesson, we learned what a set really means, how to identify well-defined collections, and the difference between finite and infinite sets. We also covered empty sets, equal sets, and how to represent sets using Venn diagrams. So remember, sets are simply collections of well-defined objects, and understanding them is the foundation for solving bigger problems in mathematics. Brilliant work keeping up today. On your screen is your assignment for class 1. Don't scroll past. Drop your answers to the 3 questions in the comment section. In the next tutorial, class 2, we'll dive into set operations like unions and interactions, and we'll solve actual WAEC and JAMB word problems. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on your notification. See you in the next class. God bless you.